Hello. Today I'm going to be explaining how to use Premiere Pro to set text behind a object, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set it behind a moving object as well. So as you can see, I've got this video of a cable car which is filmed in Autosai, and I just want to have the text Autosai revealing behind the cable car. So to start by achieving this, we want to make a copy of this, and to do so you either click the Option or Alt command, and I'm just going to drag it above that. So we now can't see the text, and this is where we start to use this layer to start masking out where the cable car is. And for this one, I'm just going to start by zooming in. And I want to select the, in the opacity section of the effects, we want to do the free draw Bezier. And I'm just going to kind of roughly draw around the cable car for this exercise, just to, but you can be way more detailed with your selections. And now we can start by using this mask to create a path for which it starts to follow and track this text. You can see the text behind it. So we just want to select the mask path little toggle there. And we just want to use, I've set my keyframes. I'm just going to go to playback. I've set my steps forward by how many frames is 5. And this is good, so it saves us a bit of time when we're tracking this along the animation pane. So using the shift arrow key on the right one, you can see how it moves the animation by 5 frames, and then I can just move my little shape around it, and I just want to go back to the animation panel and just repeat this. Okay, so now that I have tracked the animation, you can see how the text is behind the object, which is, it does look cool, but I want it to more kind of reveal it and crop it behind this, behind the cable car. So what I'm going to do is go into the text panel, and I'm just going to go to effects and just type in crop, and I'm just going to drag in the crop effect. And then if in the crop, I want to start by dragging that side. So I'm just going to move it all the way to about here, maybe where it starts revealing. And I'm going to set that crop all the way here. And then as you can see, it impacts the right side. So I'm just going to toggle that. And then basically I'm just going to follow the same process. I might do a quicker amount of keyframes like that. And there we go. So now if we begin to play that animation, you can see that the text nicely reveals behind the cable car, which is exactly what I want. Another kind of thing you could do, and you can just quickly, I'm just going to go back into the crop, and let's say maybe I want the text to be a bit more bold. So I'm just going to increase the text size. Maybe I might make it about this big. There we go. So maybe it's about like there. And I want to also center it there. And as you can see, if I start to play that animation again, you can see how the cable car is over the text, which is exactly what I want. And this can make for some really engaging presentations. So this is all for the tutorial, and thank you for watching.